Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams when it's not opening or not working on Windows 11. This is a common frustration that can disrupt your workflow, especially if you rely on Teams for daily communication and meetings. Let's walk through some proven troubleshooting steps that should get you back up and running. First, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the search bar where you can type in App and Features without the quotes. This is your gateway to managing all the applications installed on your Windows 11 system. Once you see the App and Features option appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will open the settings page where you can view and modify all your installed applications. Now that you're in the App and Features section, you'll need to locate Microsoft Teams in the list. Depending on how many apps you have installed, you might need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you spot Microsoft Teams, click on it to reveal more options. You should see a button labeled Advanced Options appear. Click on this to access the deeper settings for Teams. This is where Windows stores some powerful repair and reset tools that can fix many common issues. In the Advanced Options page, scroll down until you find a section dedicated to troubleshooting. Here you'll see two important options, Repair and Reset. Let's start with the less invasive option first. Click on the Repair button. This tool attempts to fix the app without affecting your data or settings. Windows will work in the background to repair any corrupted files or settings that might be preventing Teams from launching properly. Give it a moment to complete the process, and once it's done, try opening Microsoft Teams again to see if it's now working correctly. If the repair option didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we have another solution. Head back to the same Advanced Options page and this time click on the Reset button. This is a more thorough approach that will restore Teams to its original state, which means it will clear all your app data and settings. After the reset completes, which should only take a few seconds, try launching Teams once more to check if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing problems after both the repair and reset attempts, it's time to take the final step. You'll need to completely uninstall Microsoft Teams and then reinstall it fresh from scratch. To uninstall, you can go back to the App and Features section, find Teams again and click Uninstall. Once it's completely removed, head over to the official Microsoft website or the Microsoft Store to download and install the latest version of Teams. A clean installation often resolves persistent issues that repairs and resets couldn't fix. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to get Microsoft Teams working properly again on your Windows 11 machine. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.